Hi. Welcome to our workshop. Today we will review the iCube 5 watts from Sculpfun. We always wanted a small size laser, at an affordable price. We became interested in this laser for quite a few reasons. The size. It can fit snugly on a desk, next to your computer. Portability. It is small and lightweight, and can be carried around with ease. The built-in smoke filtering system. The fact that it can be operated from any device, including smartphone. The fact that it can engrave without size limit, due to its open-based design. The affordable price. In this video, we'll be exploring the engraving capabilities of the iCube 5 watts, testing it on leather and various other materials. Let's dive into testing. We start by focusing the laser. Turn the little screw on the side, drop the pin down, adjust its position, put it back and untighten the screw. For these tests I will use the Sculpfun app. This is a very convenient app, as it allows me to use the laser in any location. You have the ability to use any image or photo that you have stored on your phone. You should be aware that currently, it only supports engravings and not cutting. The app allows you to change the laser settings, to suit your materials. As always with lasers, testing is the key to obtaining the best results. Always keep the protective shield in place while the laser is operational. The engraving is very well defined and clear. Due to its 0.06 mm spot size, the engraving is very precise. You can engrave a surface which is larger than the working area of the laser. The laser's open-based design enables engraving on items of any size, without limitations. This complex design, created using AI, has been intricately engraved onto the plywood surface, with great detail. AI can be a great source of images that suit your specific needs, and are not copyrighted. I love how it turned out, the engraving on the black acrylic. The speed is 60 times faster than real-time. This detailed, large design would take around 20 minutes to complete. I am very happy with how it turned out. If you have better settings, please let us know in a comment below. The engraving is well defined and has the right depths. The completion time was approximately 12 minutes. I tinkered with the settings, as each material behaves differently. I leave a link in the description to a material test generator, built-in LightBurn. This job would take less than 1 minute to complete. The machine effectively engraves on chrome leather. It's important to be aware that laser engraving on chrome leather is typically advised against, because of the harmful fumes it generates. This time I used LightBurn. As with the Sculpfun app, you can only engrave. These are the settings I used: 300 mm per minute speed and 90% power. This laser is capable of cutting extremely detailed and intricate shapes in paper. The package contains all the items listed on the screen. The inside surface engraving area is 5 by 5 inches. The laser came fully assembled, and the only thing I had to do was to attach the head unit to the gantry. The focusing distance is 1.6, 40 mm. This is great, as it allows you to use magnets to keep in place the pieces of materials you work on. I want to stress out again the importance of keeping the protective shield in place while the laser is operational, and the use of goggles as an extra layer of protection. The iCube is an excellent laser engraver for beginners who are interested in exploring the advantages of incorporating a laser into their crafting work, and for crafters who require a simple way to personalize their products, particularly those who participate in craft fairs. This laser was designed to be portable. Every feature was thought with this in mind. It is small, lightweight, compact, has an enclosed area, has an exhaust system, an all-around protective shield, can be placed on top on any surface, and can be operated from any device, including smartphone. The Sculpfun app is excellent for engraving. If it would be able to handle cutting, it would be so much more useful. It would be great if the app could display an estimated time of completion for the work. If you want the customers to be attracted to your stand, this machine surely will do this for you. The cubic shape, the orange shield, the fact that it makes noise and does something with light, the fact that you can upload or make a design as per customer choice in a matter of minutes, can help you up your game. Comparatively speaking, it is significantly cheaper than other portable or handheld laser options. We should take into consideration the price of this machine when we compare it with more capable lasers on the market. That being said, this is not a laser that cut leather. As the power of 5 watts, it is simply not enough. The structure feels a little bit flimsy, especially the outside cover. We need to say that this does not affect the quality and precision during operating the machine. It cuts very precise paper or cardboard. While the laser comes with an integrated filtering system, it is insufficient for fully exhausting smoke and fumes during indoor operations. It's recommended to use a tube to vent fumes outside, or to operate the machine in an outdoor setting. The iCube 5 watts has a 0.06 mm ultrafine laser focus, which translates in engraving precision. It can engrave various materials, from paper to wood, acrylic, fabric, leather, and so on. Although small, this is a high-speed diode laser, which can reach 10,000 mm per minute. The head has an incorporated device for focusing the laser beam. This way it is available at all times, and cannot be misplaced. You can connect the iCube to any device, from smartphone to PC and Mac, and works on all operating systems, Windows, Mac, iOS and Linux. It can be operated with LightBurn, Laser GRLB, or directly from your smartphone with Sculpfun app. I leave a link in the description to a video from Sculpfun about how to connect the laser to your smartphone and your computer. If you are interested in purchasing this laser, there is a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.